Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily. What you doing, Lily? Are you cuckoo?
Pillow.
Are you on a pillow? Is Lily on a pillow? You're a silly girl. Maybe you should run. Do you think you should run from Grandma?
Okay.
Okay, go run. Go run, and I'll catch you.
Yes.
Okay, where are you gonna go? Oh, I have to hurry. I have to hurry. Ruby, no. Ruby. Tell Ruby, no, Ruby. Oh, where's Lily? Oh, there she is. Can you play the piano?
Huh?
Play the piano.
Okay.
Very good, honey. Yay, Lily. Yay, Lilybug. Oh, good girl. Where's your kitchen? Where's Lily's kitchen? Can you show Grandma where your kitchen is? Show me your kitchen. No, not the big kitchen. Lily's kitchen. Where's Lily's kitchen? Where's Lily's kitchen? Where's your kitchen, honey? Oh, you're gonna run away from me? I'll catch you. I'll catch you. You fell down. Hey, you fell down. Are you gonna go out the doggy door?
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
And Grandma do it.
Grandma do it?
Okay.
Grandma can't do it from here. Grandma has to be on the other side.
Huh?
Grandma has to be outside. Oh, Lily. Okay, go through the doggy door.
And then.
Go ahead. Bye-bye.
And Grandma do it.
Okay, Grandma do it.
Okay.
Grandma will hold it up for you. Okay. Here we go. Okay, go ahead. Bye, little girl. Bye-bye. Go ahead.
And Grandma do
No,
it.
Lily can do it. Lily, do it. Yeah, see? You're doing it, Lily. Wow, you did it, Lily. Wow, you did it. We did it. We did it. Yay, Lily did it. Lily did it. There she is.
Bye, Grandma.
Bye, Lily. Hey, you want to come back?
Okay.
You just closed it.
Hey, up.
Okay, bye-bye.